Water losses cover inside of a home and anything that's inside it, as long as you got the proper coverage for your contents. A lot of people are low or shy when it comes to contents coverage. Folks, 27, 50,000, 100,000 is not enough money for your own personal goods. If you have anything of value, I would shoot for 100,000 minimum, 200,000, 300,000, half million. Yeah, you got a lot of personal items. I'd have them covered properly. I see too many people having a lot of stuff they've gathered. They have renter's insurance or contents coverage, but it's at 100,000 and they have a $250,000 loss. This doesn't work. Or 80,000. So they end up just taking their own stuff and taking a hit. So definitely get proper insurance when it comes to contents coverage. Smash that like button.